Now that the fire is set up, I'm adding the vegetables to the pan while the stew simmers in the pot.